In this video, we will explore elegant ways to format strings in Python. We'll cover three primary methods. First, we have fstrings, a modern and concise format introduced in Python 3.6. Next, we'll look at the .format method, a versatile string formatting technique. Finally, we will discuss the % operator, a classic string formatting approach. Let's start with the basics of fstrings. Fstrings were introduced in Python 3.6, offering a simple and readable syntax. To use an fstring, you prefix the string with either a lowercase f or an uppercase F. Variables can be directly embedded inside curly braces within the string. Here's an example. We define a variable called name and assign it the string value of Python. We define another variable called age and assign it the integer value of 32. Then, using fstrings, we create a message that includes these variables. The line message equals f, quote, hello, curly brace, name, close curly brace, exclamation mark, quote constructs a string that inserts the value of the name variable. Similarly, the line info equals f, quote, curly brace, name, close curly brace is curly brace, age, close curly brace, years old, dot, quote creates a string that includes both the name and age variables. Fstrings can also evaluate expressions directly within the curly braces. For example, calculation equals f, quote, 10 plus 20 equals curly brace, 10 plus 20, close curly brace, quote calculates the sum of 10 and 20 and includes the result in the string. Now let's dive into advanced fstring formatting options. Fstrings allow formatting with the colon operator, enabling precise control over how values are displayed. You can set precision for floating point numbers, control alignment and padding, format dates and times, and even debug expressions directly within the string, a feature introduced in Python 3.8. Here are a few practical examples. For formatting numbers, consider the variable price, assign the floating point value 49.95. Using the line printf, quote, price colon $, curly brace, price colon .2f, close curly brace, quote, we can format the price to display only 2 decimal places. For width and alignment, let's use a loop. The code for I in range 1, 4 colon printf, quote, curly brace I colon 2 close curly brace hyphen curly brace I star I colon 3 close curly brace hyphen curly brace I star I colon 4 close curly brace, quote demonstrates how to align numbers using specified widths. You can format percentages and use scientific notation. The code value equals 0.25, printf, quote, curly brace, value colon .0%, close curly brace, quote displays a value as a percentage without any decimal places. The code printf, quote, curly brace 1 million colon e, close curly brace, quote formats the number 1 million in scientific notation. Introduced in Python 3.8, you can debug fstrings using the equals operator. Name equals Python printf, quote, curly brace, name equals close curly brace, quote will output the variable name and its value, making debugging easier. Let's explore the .format method in Python. Introduced in Python 2.6, the .format method is a powerful and versatile way to format strings. It uses curly braces as placeholders and supports both positional and keyword arguments, making it compatible with all Python versions. Consider these basics. We define a variable name with the string value Python and a variable version with the floating point value 3.10. The code print, quote, curly brace, close curly brace, version curly brace, close curly brace, quote, .format, open parenthesis, name, comma, version, close parenthesis demonstrates basic usage with positional arguments. The placeholders are replaced in the order the arguments are provided. You can also use index positional arguments. The code print, quote, curly brace 0 close curly brace 1 close curly brace, comma, curly brace 0 close curly brace, exclamation mark, quote, .format, open parenthesis, quote, hello, quote, comma, quote, world, quote, close parenthesis shows how to reference arguments by their index. Named arguments provide even more clarity. The code print quote curly brace name close curly brace is curly brace age close curly brace years old quote dot format open parenthesis name equals quote Python quote comma age equals 32 close parenthesis uses named arguments to insert values into the string. This approach enhances readability, especially when dealing with multiple variables. Now let's delve into the advanced features of the dot format method in Python. The dot format method provides format specifiers that allow precise control over how values are formatted. These specifiers can define the type of data, precision, alignment, and more. Here's a breakdown of some common specifiers. The specifier $d is used for integers. $f is used for floating point numbers. $.2f formats a floating point number with 2 decimal places. $, adds comma separators to numbers for improved readability. Greater than 10 right aligns the output within a width of 10 characters. $10 centers the output within a width of 10 characters. Here's how to use these specifiers in practice. The code number equals 42.3756 assigns a floating point value to the variable number. The code print, quote, integer colon, curly brace, $d, close curly brace, quote, dot format, open parenthesis, integer number, close parenthesis formats number as an integer. The code print, quote, float colon, curly brace, $.2f, close curly brace, quote, dot format, open parenthesis, number, close parenthesis formats number, as a floating point number with 2 decimal places. A loop demonstrates alignment. The code for I in range 1, 4 colon print, quote, curly brace 0 colon greater than 2, close curly brace 1 colon greater than 3, close curly brace, quote, dot format, open parenthesis, I star I, close parenthesis aligns numbers to the right with specified widths. For large numbers, the code print, quote, value colon, curly brace, colon, comma, close curly brace, quote, dot format, open parenthesis, 1 million, close parenthesis adds comma separators to the number 1 million. To display numbers in binary, octal, and hexadecimal formats, the code print, quote, curly brace colon b, close curly brace colon o, close curly brace colon x, close curly brace, quote, dot format, open parenthesis 42, 42, 42, close parenthesis formats the integer 42 in these different bases. Let's explore the percent operator for string formatting in Python. The percent formatting style is a traditional method derived from C's printf function. It is still functional in all Python versions and uses the percent operator between the string and the values. While it can be less verbose for simple cases, it is more limited compared to newer methods. This method is valuable primarily for backward compatibility. Here are the key points. The percent operator is a traditional formatting style. It remains compatible with all Python versions. It is generally less verbose for simple formatting tasks. However, it offers limited functionality compared to more modern methods. It is particularly useful for maintaining backward compatibility with older code. Here are some code examples. Name equals Python, age equals 32. The code print, quote, hello, %s, exclamation mark, quote, %, name substitutes the string name into the formatted string. For multiple values, the code print, quote, %s is %d years old, quote, %, open parenthesis, name, comma, age, close parenthesis uses a tuple to insert both the name and age variables. To format numbers, the code pi equals 3.14159, print, quote, pi colon %.2f, quote, %pi formats the floating point number pi to 2 decimal places. The percent operator also supports dictionary-based substitution. The code print, quote, open parenthesis language, close parenthesis s has open parenthesis features, close parenthesis d features, quote, open curly brace, quote, language, quote, colon, quote, Python, quote, comma, quote, features, quote, colon 10, close curly brace uses a dictionary to insert the values of language and features into the string. Let's explore formatting specifiers used with the percent operator in Python. These specifiers define how values are converted and inserted into the string. Here's an overview of common % format specifiers. %s is used for strings. %d is used for integers. %f is used for floating point numbers. %.2f formats a floating point number with 2 decimal places. %x formats an integer as a hexadecimal number in lowercase. %X formats an integer as a hexadecimal number in uppercase. %e is used for scientific notation. Here are some examples. Number equals 42. Pi equals 3.14159. The code print quote, string colon %s quote, percent quote, Python quote, inserts the string Python. The code print quote, integer colon, %d quote, percent, number, inserts the integer value of number. The code print quote, float colon %f quote, percent, pi inserts the floating point value of pi. The code print quote, formatted colon %6.2f quote, %pi formats pi with a width of 6 and 2 decimal places. To display numbers in different formats, the code print quote, hex colon %x quote, number formats number as a hexadecimal number. The code print quote, scientific colon %e quote, 10,000.0 displays 10,000 in scientific notation. For padding and alignment, the code print quote, padded colon %10s quote, Python quote, pads the string Python to a width of 10 characters. Let's compare the string formatting methods in Python. We'll evaluate fstrings, the .format method, and the % operator across several features to help you choose the best approach for your needs. First, let's consider an example. Fstrings use the syntax f quote, hello curly brace, name close curly brace, exclamation mark, quote. The .format method uses quote, hello curly brace, close curly brace, exclamation mark, quote, .format, open parenthesis, name, close parenthesis. The % operator uses quote, hello %s exclamation mark, quote, %name. Python version compatibility is another key factor. Fstrings are available in Python 3.6 and later. The .format method is compatible with Python 2.6 and later. The % operator works with all Python versions. Readability is a significant consideration. Fstrings generally offer the best readability, followed by the .format method, with the % operator being the least readable. The ability to use variables and expressions is exclusive to fstrings. Performance-wise, fstrings are typically the fastest, while the .format method and the % operator offer medium performance. Debugging is enhanced with fstrings in Python 3.8 and later, which allow you to display variable names and values directly within the string. In terms of recommendations, fstrings are best suited for most modern code. The .format method is useful for compatibility and templates, and the % operator is primarily for legacy code. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.